This, my friends, is a powerful robotic vacuum cleaner,
which also mops your floors using hot water. It supports auto clean with hot water, auto emptying, hot air drying and self cleaning.
Oh, it's an exciting one today. Let's find out more.
Welcome. Today we are looking at the Deebot T20 Omni. If you've been around the channel before, you must have seen the other robotic vacuum cleaner reviews. However, none of them are as powerful as this.
In terms of suction power, this has 6000 PA of suction power, which in robotic language is a lot. As always, link in the description box below. So you can see we have some information here. So this does run on the Ecovacs Home app, which you could download from the App Store or Google Play. Okay, what we'll do is we'll take everything out of the box.
This is everything what comes inside the box. We have some paperwork here. We have a thick, big instruction booklet. We have the power supply for the Omni station. We have a cleaning brush, which is adjustable. Another cleaning tool here. If you look inside there, it has a blade that allows you to remove hair off the brush bar. We have two dual side brushes. They're colour coordinated, one's green, one's red. It comes with two washable mopping pads. You can take the mopping pad off if you want to wash them, but you shouldn't need to, as the base station will take care of that for you.
There's a sensor at the back that has two contact points. They match up with the contact points within the base. This lid is magnetic, it lifts up. We have two QR codes here, one's if you need help and the other one is for the Ecovacs app. The bin, let me just remove that. That's what it looks like from inside. You can open it as well from here, just pull that. And then if you hold on to that tab and you push the other one, you have access to the filter. It's very important to keep your filters clean. The cleaner your filters are, the better performance you get out of your cleaner. Within the app, it will let you know when you need to change the filter or the mop pads. All the spares you need, you could pick them up from Ecovacs' website, which I will leave in the description box below. Got a little sticker there letting us know how to wash the filter. Once you wash the filter, make sure it's completely dry before you put it back in. Air dry it for around 24 hours. We have the on off button here, reset button. That is also the indicator for Wi-Fi. We have some microphones around here. That is another sensor. That's the auto on off button. Two collision sensors here, one on this side. And we have one on this side. Then we have the true detect sensor at the front. The rubbish comes into the bin. From the bin, it goes into that little compartment, and then from there to here, and then from here to the bag. The bag lasts around 2 months. These two brushes would go on each side, so you could see the green one would go on the green one and the red one would go on the red one, so they just push into place. You'll hear that click.
What are you recording?
Two big rubber wheels here. The mopping pad holders are magnetic and they just click into place. This whole here, there's a sensor in there as well. That's the ultrasonic sensor. There's a lot of sensors on this cleaner. To get to the brush bar, we just pinch these, lift that up, and we could remove the brush bar. This brush bar is rubber. From my experience, I've used a lot of vacuum cleaners. Rubber brush bars are better in terms of hair. Not much hair gets tangled around them. So can you see that? It has play in between both the mop pads. So what will happen is when it comes to a carpet, they will lift up so that way your carpet won't get wet. And then once it's off the carpet, they will go back down again and it'll start mopping your floor. And they rotate really fast, these.
Now onto the base station. There are the sensors what matches up to the robot. To access the trash can, you just have to press this button under here and then it pops open. Inside the trash can here we have a 3-litre dust bag.
We have the power on off button. We have our dirty water tank and clean water tank here.
This is the power port on the back. We have a decent length power supply cable. Here, this lip is to wrap the power cord around. Up here we have a handle to lift the Omni station. Bear in mind the Omni station is heavy and that's without any water in it right now. So when you do place it, make sure that's its home for a while, as you don't want to be moving it around.
Okay, let's make a start at connecting this up to our Wi-Fi. This only runs on the 2.4 gigahertz network. So the first thing we need to do is download the Ecovacs app. So I'm going to scan this QR code here. It's brought me to Google Play. I'm going to install the app. Turn the machine on. The Wi-Fi indicator is blinking now. T20 Omni. Connect to your Wi-Fi. I'll just enter my Wi-Fi password in off camera. It's very important to update the software, so I'm going to update this now.
I am Eco, the new AI voice assistant from Ecovacs and your new housekeeper.
Okay, Eco. I have removed the mopping pads because it needs to do a quick mopping of my kitchen floor. You don't have to do this stage, but I think it's better if you do it because that way it'll remember where to clean. Notes for mopping.
Quick mapping.
I'll just let it do his thing and then I'll come back once it's gone back into the station. But he's heading straight for my tripod.